This is the river crossing, right?
Great water fording? Yeah.
It's very deep there. You want me to do it? Here, you film for me. Do a good job. Are they even in the picture?
Nope.
Oh. All right, so I guess we need to go down the other end now and Henry? Yeah, there's the gate you broke, Henry. Diamond, where you going? Where's your baby? You gotta take your baby with you. Yeah, Henry, you shouldn't go over there. It smells bad over there, man. You shouldn't do that. Oh, do they get stuff on the other side? Huh. Yeah, well, she shouldn't be driving through that either. Y'all gonna ever come back for hay? I hope not. I mean, sure. Y'all can come back anytime you want. Oh, you can't cross the gate? That's the gate that was across this piece over here. You don't have to investigate. We already know Henry broke it. Yeah, what do you want? Well, go out there. Lots more cows out there. Steers, whatever they are. No, can't make you go to the other side. Will you go to the other side? You're gonna go to the dark side, are you? Yep, there you go. How about you? You gonna go to the dark side? Of course you are. Oof. Fall down off the gate. Hella's mad. Hella's really mad now.
She should have had her calf.
Yeah. They get to go out into the other pasture and she don't. You don't know how to cross the gate? How long does it take the other ones to figure out they could go over here too? Very long time?
I don't know that they've even noticed yet.
Probably not.
Whenever they come out here to get hay.
Your heifer here? She's not very bright.
Very well trained.
Very well trained. Well, then would you at least tell her she could cross the fence? Oh, okay. All right. Well, all eyes are upon us. Y'all have to walk around. Yeah, you're stuck behind the gate, aren't you? That's sad. Well, at least whatever's over there is really good.
Soggy hay noodles.
Soggy hay noodles. Yep, Hella's disappointed. Yeah, well, that's what I was thinking. She did that all night last night. Did you not hear her? Oh. Well, I don't think your heifer's going to move. I think you're going to have to tell her she can get on the other side of the gate. Oh, well. She's waiting for you to tell her. She's waiting for the command. All you gotta do is give her the command. She's ready. No?
I'm not gonna get it.
Oh, well. No, the good stuff's over here. 8, actually. This is the winter pasture. They should have been over here in November.
Y'all should have had their calves over there.
Yeah, I know, but that was a frosty problem. For Freya and Hella, I don't know what their problem was because they were with Henry the entire time.
Don't come complain to me. You should be complaining to yourself.
I don't think anybody cares. They're just going to eat.
Here's what.
Well, I guess Henry's kind of moseying that way to check out what other animals are in his pasture.
Oh, they surely already know.
Oh, you think? Well, the steers are not coming this way to see what's over in their pasture.
No, they are. They're going to make a little intersection.
Oh, they're just too busy eating. They're going to eat their way to each other?
Yep.
Oh, okay. No, I don't.
And those are going to be so frustrated.
Yeah? I think these will be... Well, you got to give the command. She's waiting for the command, man. She's well trained. Or she's real stupid.
Extra 2.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think there's any training in that. Well, buffet's on, guys. Except for y'all. Hella, Freya. Sorry. No, not really. They should have had their caps already.
Yeah, you're right. You should be standing on the other side of the gate.
If you're not going to give her the command, she's not even going to look at the opening. Man, you're mean. I don't know why you train them like this and then just let them play with the chain just because they don't have anything better to do. I mean, if she has to, she'll close it herself if you're not going to let her in.
By all means, if she can. Remember to hook up the bottom chain, too.
Mm-hmm. Well, I won't see them again for a while. There's too much water on the ground. They don't have to come up front for any drinks. Mm.
They'll have to come up here if they want someplace dry to lay down.
Yeah, or the minerals. See y'all later. Nope, they don't care about you. Nope, not at all. They're over here guarding Iris's calf. Y'all can go around and go out. Y'all can go around and go out. Not a problem. Jesus. Oh, oblivious over there at the hay bale. .44's right here. Oh, she's tired. She's not going anywhere. Sorry, y'all can't go nowhere. Gotta watch babies. See? Your cows don't know where to go.
Pretty sure mine don't care.
Oh.
They got hay, they got water.
Oh, alright. Well, I guess that's okay then. Y'all just stay here then.